Hello everyone! I'm AYANA. Today, I'll explain how to make this animation. Let's begin! Let's start! Press this button to create a new composition. You can also create a new composition by pressing Ctrl+N. Change the composition name. Change the duration. Change the background. Click OK. Click OK. Press this button and select the Type tool. You can also change the Type tool by pressing Ctrl+T. Change font settings. Change the paint color. Click OK. Press Ctrl+Alt+Home to center the anchor point. Press Ctrl+Home to center the object relative to the anchor point. Press numpad to select a layer. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate. Search for effects in the Effects and Presets search box. Press Enter to apply the effect. Click this list box to change. Click this list box to change. Change the value of the property. Change the value of the property. Click this list box to change. Press Alt+Shift+Page up, Page down to move the selected layer. Press Ctrl+Shift+Cursor keys to move indicator 10 frames later or earlier. Press numpad to select a layer. Press Alt plus the bracket key to trim the endpoint or app point of the selected layer to the indicated position. Press Ctrl+I to import the file. Press spacebar to preview. This is the end of today's lecture. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.